Students, welcome to the fifth session of chapter Stars and Solar System of subject Science and Technology of class 8th. Today we are going to study about the other celestial planet of the solar system, the Earth, our own planet, that is on which we live. The Earth is a very unique and special planet of our solar system. Like the other planets, the Earth not only revolves around the Sun but also rotates about on axis of its own. The portion of Earth facing the Sun at any time has day and the other portion facing away has night. As the Earth rotates on its axis, day and night follow one another. The axis of rotation of Earth is known to be tilted with respect to its orbit. It completes one revolution around the Sun in nearly 365 and 1 upon 4 days. So, the cause of day and night is the rotation of Earth on its axis. The part which is facing the Sun, it has daytime, and which is away from the Sun, that has night. Now, what about the seasons? What is the cause of change of season on the Earth? You know that Earth, it revolves around the Sun in 1 year or 365 and 1 upon 4 days. When the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, it is summer there. Tilted means when it is bent towards the Sun. When northern hemisphere it is tilted toward the Sun, then it is hot or have summer. At that time it is winter in the southern hemisphere. It means it's in its opposite side, it is winter. The reverse happen when the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun. It means when it is away, northern hemisphere is away from the Sun, it has winter, and southern hemisphere it will have summer. Now what about the autumn and spring? They occur when the Earth is in between these two extreme position in its orbit. From outer space, the Earth appears blue and green due to the reflection of light from the water and land masses on its surface. Look at the picture of the Earth that is taken from the outer space. It shows green and blue color. Green color is because of green land masses, and blue it is because of water. Our Earth, it also has a thin atmosphere, and it plays a very vital role in protecting and preserving life on the Earth. So there are different conditions which are responsible for the existence or sustenance of life on the Earth. You know that till date there is no life is observed on any other planet. It is because of these conditions. Number one, the right size and right distance from the Sun, so that it has the optimum temperature range and gravity, means temperature that is suitable for the sustenance of life. It has neither too hot nor too cold for the life to exist on the Earth, and it is also because of gravitational force. Next is presence of water on its surface. Water, that is means it in its liquid state, not in solid state or in vapor state, because water is present in liquid state, that is used by different living things on Earth for the sustenance of life. Next condition is suitable atmosphere and a blanket of ozone layer. This atmosphere, it prevents Earth from other celestial bodies that sometimes fall on Earth. Their pieces fall on Earth. So this is like a blanket, and you know that ozone layer, it protects the Earth from harmful rays of the sun. Is Mars. It is also known as Mangal. Mars usually appears reddish in color, hence it is also often known as red planet. Its surface resembles a cold high altitude desert. Its atmosphere consists primarily of carbon dioxide along with small amount of nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor and other gases. Its surface temperature and surface pressure both are very low, because of which water does not exist in liquid state. And you know that for life, water is required in its liquid state. So that is one reason due to which life does not exist on Mars. The diameter of Mars is only a little more than half of that of Earth. Its mass is, however, only 1/10 of that of Earth. Mars therefore has a low average density as compared to the Earth. There is a special feature of Mars, that is, it has two moons and their name is Phobos and Deimos. It means at night we can observe two moons if we will be on the Mars. Look at the picture. That is the picture of two moons of Mars, Phobos and Deimos. Now it is assignment time. Question number 1. How does change in season takes place on the Earth? Question number 2. Mention the conditions that help life to exist on the Earth. Question number 3. Name two moons of Mars. Question number 4. Why does water not exist in liquid state on Mars? Thank you and have a nice day.